Lady P cried and said it looked like Dimo be a hard because this happened to her tongue.
Me sit down. Don't mind that time to be strong, you know. Oh. Me sit down here, so I doze off. I'm going to feel like something. My tongue just started melting in my mouth a while ago. Me not bite my tongue. Me not talk. Nothing at all. I just feel like my tongue a melt. And when me look, my tongue start bleeding. I'm not get scared. Then what if it happen again? What me fit do? You know, see how we be at this panic attack, your bumbo clot. Me tell some come, my tongue a pussy clot melt. Me bite my tongue. Hey, come on from bumbo one life. See me at the panic attack. Me tell you some fucking tongue a melt in the mouth. Take everything, man. Joking, no. Somebody will be on me. Hello. I go use my credit card and I go call up some people because I go find out what's going on in my bumbo clot life. Oh. Watcha. Guys, alright, let me be serious. Let me calm down. Me the right here, so. Right? Me the right here, so. Don't take, hey, me block you. Pussy wall, I wrong night here coming at this bumbo wall, yeah. You're gonna come after this tonight, bumbo wall. Come make you know about me. Alright, let me calm down. Me I get a think, let me calm down first. Wanna serve me a little bit, guys. I want black on because of anger. Just serve me a little bit, please. Just serve me a little bit. Let me calm down, alright? I become a panic. I'm telling you something. I become a really get scared while I got my company live. You get me? I become I get scared of my company live. But me calm down. Let me get myself together. Because I don't want black on out of anger. You go get black. Go suck your mother big pussy. Go and suck out your pitney pussy. Go suck out your pitney. That's how I this, you know. Come from Bumbo alive. Me just tell myself to give me. Anybody don't know me, man? Me know me love God, but God's a seek physician. I want to see somebody. This is not right. If I can't find, I have nothing can put on my fucking tongue. And this is dirty something I have to put on my fucking tongue now. Me not have nothing, yes sir. I'm a clot. Now look at ice or nothing not there. No, dead me dead. Dead me blood clot dead now. Now look at ice or nothing me can't find to put on my fucking tongue where I'm melting in my mouth. No look at ice. Nothing cool. Jesus have mercy. God I'm fiddle. Alright, this freezer. Christ God Almighty. I'm come and tick. Look at that. Me no bite my tongue, me so the bomb. RT boss, tell me no. RT boss, you talk your business too much. That is why them obey you.